Hey guys, this is Cole with Journey Golf Carts in Wilmington, North Carolina. We just got our first load of the new Atlas 1s in, and boy do they not disappoint. As you can tell from the video, styling and just overall looks on these are crazy. I mean, it's got to be the best looking golf cart out there. And in this video, I just want to go over some of the features and just bells and whistles that make this cart unique. I think the word that comes to my mind when talking about this cart is just functionality. In a lot of other manufacturers' forward 4 models, you lose a lot of features and make compromises. But with this cart, you really don't have to do any of that. And to the first point of that is the seats. So not only do you get an amazing looking set of seats, but they're also incredibly comfortable, tons of cushion, armrest, and you get this really cool center console kind of folding down middle armrest in the front and rear of the cart. One of the biggest issues with golf carts is legroom, and Atlas has solved that issue. So you've got a power seat that will move probably 6 or 7 inches forward and backwards, so it'll adjust perfectly to each driver. And in your second row, they've solved the biggest issue with the forward 4 configuration golf cart, which is storage and carrying capacity. So you've got either one seat that you can fold down or both of them, and it creates a totally flat deck to carry tons of different stuff with. And then we get into the sound system of the cart. You've got 2 speakers built into your dash, 2 underneath the dash, 2 built into the front console of the seat pod. Your rear seat has a sound bar with its own volume control. And then you've got 2 extra speakers, so not lacking in the sound system department at all. And now coming around to the rear of the cart, you've got a locking trunk system. So whenever you fold the trunk down, you've got kind of what looks like a miniature truck bed that you can fold back up and have it open to have extra storage. And then on both sides of the cart, there are hidden cooler compartments with drain plugs in them, which is super awesome. I don't know that I've ever seen that on another cart. You've got a massive touchscreen on this cart with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, locking dash compartment behind that screen, and then you've got a front trunk storage that's lockable, so you unlock it under the dash there and get into the storage area there. We've been patiently waiting on these carts for a little bit now, and I can confidently say that the hype and waiting game was totally worth it on these. The fit and finish build quality is second to none, and then paired with all the features that you get, front power seats, second row seats that flip down flat for the storage carrying capacity. You've got your rear locking trunk, crazy sound system, touchscreen, amazing ride. There's a reason it's called the Atlas 1, because it makes 0 compromises whatsoever. We've got 10 in stock here, probably going to go pretty fast, so try to swing by Journey Golf Carts in Wilmington and get them while we still got them. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in the next video.